Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Q11. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 8 chapter 2 exponents exercise 2 question number 11. Right, this is the first part. It is show that. Now we have to show two sides are given. One is this, one is this. This one, it has a very big expression and the right hand side has only one in that. So first we will begin with the bigger one, left hand side, right? What we will do is we will simplify the left hand side to see that we get 1. Okay, if we get 1 here and 1 here, then our work is done. We have shown that it is equal to that. But if we don't get 1, then that means that we are doing some mistake. So see here, we have x to power a upon x to power b to power a plus b into x to power b upon x to power c whole raised to the power b plus c into x to power c upon x to power a whole raised to power c plus a. This is what we have. Now see, this will become what? X is there in the numerator and the denominator, so I can use that rule of division, that is subtracting the exponents. So I will subtract, we will have a minus b, x to power a minus b, right? Because a is there in numerator, so we subtract exponent of denominator from the exponent of numerator. So x to power a minus b, then a plus b is also there, so a plus b, right? This exponent was there, so we have put it down. Then into x, same rule here, x is there in numerator and denominator, so here also x, and then b and c, so b minus c, we do that. Then b plus c here, again into x c minus a upon c plus a, not ca, c plus a. Alright, you can see everywhere I have used the law of division, which says we have to subtract exponent in the numerator from the exponent of the exponent in the denominator from the exponent of the numerator. So x a minus b, x b minus c, x c minus a, and already it had some exponent, so I have written that. Next step is opening the bracket. So we will open these brackets. This one will open, this one will open, and this one we will open, and then when we will open, we will multiply, right? So see, x to power a minus b into a plus b and into x to power b minus c into b plus c. Okay, I have opened these brackets, so exponents are multiplying with each other, into x to power c minus a multiplied with c plus a, right? Everywhere this I have done. Now you can see that there are certain rules whenever we come to these multiplication of your variables. We have to use these rules, like we call them identities, right? So that we will study later on. For now, see, x a minus b, a plus b means a square minus b square. This is what it means. Keep that in mind. Same into now x, now same thing here, b minus c, b plus c. So make square of b and make square of c and put the minus sign down, because we don't know the identities yet, so we'll do it this way only. It's like b square minus c square into x to power c square minus a square. Okay, everywhere we will do this rule. Now comes the simple step. You can see that I have given exponents to all of them. Okay, this is one exponent, this is one exponent, this is another exponent, and between the base x we have multiplication sign, this one, 2 times multiplication. That means we will add the powers, add all the powers, right? So you will have x raised to the power a square minus b square, because it was already there, this one. Now which power we will plus in this? B square minus c square, this one, plus b square minus c square. Again into is there, so again plus. What we will plus? C square minus a square, put that down, So plus c square minus a square. Whenever plus sign is there, no sign will also not change, so no need to put any brackets. Now see here, plus a square minus a square, it will cancel. Okay, minus, this is b square, sorry. Okay, so minus b square plus b square, we will cut it, right, because that will give us 0. Then minus c square, again this is square, minus c square plus c square, we will also cut that down, right. So we have cut everything. What are we left with? Nothing. So nothing means what? X to power 0, and x to power 0 is what? X to power your 1, any number raised to power 0 is 1. So here we have got 1, and what we had on the right hand side, on the right hand side also 1, and here also 1. So you can see left hand side, right hand side both are equal, thus we have shown and proved it. Now let's move on to the next part. Now you can see here we have x to power a plus b into x to power b plus c into x to power c plus a. This is there upon x to power a into x to power b into x to power c and whole squared. So this is on the left hand side. On the right hand side we have 1. So again we only have to work on the left hand side, right hand side we don't have to do anything. So left hand side, LHS, what have we got here? See, x to power a plus b. Okay, this is there. All of them are in under what? They are doing what? What operation is happening in the numerator? You can see multiplication, right? So we will add the powers. All the powers I will add. So a plus b plus b plus c plus c plus a. Okay, upon x, and same thing in the denominator. So x a plus b plus c whole squared, right. Again I have added a b c, a plus b plus c, and then put it under brackets, and then square was already there, so I have put square here, right. Now we don't have to write equal to 1 because that comes under the right hand side, so leave that. Now let's solve this now. Okay, so you'll have what? See, x to power a plus a, that is your 2a. Okay, a plus a is 2a, b plus b is 2b, so plus 2b, plus c is 2c, so plus 2c, right. Everywhere we have to do this way. And now upon now this will become what? X to power a plus b plus c is there, so all of this it will multiply with 2. So what do we get? 2 into a, that is 2a, plus 2 into b, that is 2b, plus 2 into c, that is 2c. Now you can see in the numerator also we have the same thing that is there in the denominator. Next step is what? So we will do x. Now you can see what I will do. All of this in the denominator, I'll take this to the numerator. So numerator I had what? 2a plus 2b plus 2c. This was my numerator. This I have taken and I have put it here as it is. Then again minus sign. Now we will subtract these exponents. So see, 2a plus 2b plus 2c and close the bracket. Okay, don't change sign for now. See, minus sign I have put because all these exponents after minus sign are of the denominator. Now denominator we have taken away, so there is no need to write anything for the denominator. Just solve this. X to power 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Now open these brackets. Minus sign is there, so sign of the numbers inside the bracket will also change. So minus 2a becomes plus 2a will become minus 2a, plus 2b will become minus 2b, because plus minus is minus, plus minus minus, and then 2c, right. This is what we get. So again see this thing, minus 2a plus 2a cancels, plus 2b minus 2b cancels, plus 2c minus 2c also cancels. What are we left with? Nothing. So x to power 0, we are left with nothing. Now that means x to power 0, any number raised to power 0 becomes 1. We all know this. Now left hand side is 1 and right hand side, what is the right value of right hand side? That is also 1. So here also 1, here also 1. We have verified it. That becomes our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.